Bone broth has recently gained a lot of attention for its incredible health benefits, with both traditional wisdom and modern research backing its positive effects. Packed with essential nutrients, it's a delicious and nourishing addition to your diet that can support everything from gut health to joint function. In today's video, we'll dive into some of the surprising benefits of drinking bone broth and how it can make a significant impact on your overall wellness. Let's explore why this ancient food has become a modern-day superfood. Bone broth is packed with important nutrients that offer many health benefits. It contains collagen, a protein that helps keep your skin firm, supports your joints, and can reduce wrinkles. As bone broth cooks, collagen turns into gelatin, which is good for your gut by protecting your digestive system and helping to heal leaky gut. Bone broth is also full of amino acids like glycine, proline, and glutamine, which help reduce inflammation, improve sleep, and support muscle recovery. Plus, it has key minerals like calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium, which help keep your bones strong, support your heart, regulate blood pressure, and keep muscles working well. Adding bone broth to your routine is a great way to boost your overall health. If you're finding this information useful, please hit the like, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated with my latest health and nutrition tips. Bone broth is very good for gut health because it has a lot of gelatin and amino acids. Gelatin forms when collagen breaks down during cooking, and it helps repair and seal the gut lining. This is especially helpful for people with conditions like leaky gut, where the gut lining is damaged, letting toxins and undigested food leak into the bloodstream. The amino acids in bone broth, like glutamine, help heal the gut lining and reduce inflammation, making it great for problems like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and other digestive issues. Bone broth also helps healthy gut bacteria grow, which is important for keeping your gut balanced. By supporting the gut and digestive system, bone broth can improve overall digestive health and reduce symptoms of gut problems. Bone broth is a great source of collagen and gelatin, both of which help keep your joints healthy. Collagen is a key part of connective tissues like cartilage, tendons, and ligaments, which are important for flexible joints. The gelatin in bone broth comes from collagen and helps support and repair these tissues. Drinking bone broth regularly may help reduce joint pain and inflammation, especially for people with conditions like arthritis. It provides the body with the nutrients needed to strengthen and restore joint tissues, making it a natural way to ease pain and improve movement. Its anti-inflammatory effects also help support long-term joint health, so it's a good addition to a healthy routine. Bone broth is great for boosting your immune system because it's packed with nutrients that support immune health. It contains minerals like zinc and magnesium, which are both important for a strong immune system. Zinc helps your immune cells work properly and fight infections, while magnesium supports various body functions, including those needed for immune responses. Bone broth also has amino acids like arginine and glutamine, which help improve immune function. Arginine helps control inflammation and supports white blood cell production, while glutamine helps keep your gut healthy, where much of your immune system is located. By providing these nutrients, bone broth helps strengthen your body's defenses and improve its ability to fight off illness, making it a great choice for keeping your immune system strong all year long. Bone broth is great for your skin because it has a lot of collagen. Collagen is a protein that helps keep your skin firm and hydrated, which are key for smooth, youthful skin. As we get older, our body makes less collagen, which can cause wrinkles and sagging. Drinking bone broth regularly can help replace the collagen your body loses, making your skin firmer and smoother. The gelatin in bone broth also helps your skin hold on to moisture, improving its texture and making it look plumper and more glowing. This combination of collagen and moisture can reduce fine lines and wrinkles, giving you a more youthful, radiant complexion. Bone broth is a natural, nourishing way to improve skin health from the inside out. We hope you found these 5 surprising benefits of drinking bone broth as amazing as we did. From supporting gut health to improving skin and boosting immunity, it's clear that bone broth is more than just a delicious drink. It's a powerhouse for your overall health. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Do you drink bone broth, or will you try it now? Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.